The Alerta Ruby Turn is a lateral turning mattress designed to prevent and treat pressure ulcers in care settings. By using automated lateral turning programs, it maximises nursing time, allowing staff to focus on other critical duties with confidence. Built with 20 deep air cells in a cell-on-cell design, this mattress features a sturdy static base supporting up to 230 kilograms. The programmable lateral turning system optimises individual patient care by allowing caregivers to select left, right or dual turning modes, featuring precise angle control adjustable to clinical requirements using 20, 25 or 35 degree angles. Powered by a SensorCare TrueFlow technology, this mattress maintains ultra-low interface pressure, promoting natural sleep patterns and stable blood circulation, all with an ultra-silent pump for a peaceful environment. The pump's advanced controls include adjustable cycle times for alternating and lateral turning, weight settings for personalised comfort, a directional turning button for left, right or dual turning modes, angle control for 3 available angles, and a CLP mode for static therapy at minimum pressure. The mattress cover, made from washable multi-way stretch PU fabric, is waterproof, breathable and antimicrobial, protecting skin and ensuring easy infection control. Integrated cable management ensures tidy and safe environment around the bed, while a rapid access CPR function facilitates prompt response in emergencies. The Alerta Ruby Turn delivers industry-leading pressure relief, offering comfort and safety for users while saving valuable time for carers, ensuring everyone in care will be kept comfortable, safe and secure when protected by Alerta.